Hi, Pythonistas! Are you ready to discover one of Python's most elegant tools? Meet the zip function, an underused gem that can streamline your coding. When working with multiple sequences, have you faced complex loops? Traditional loops can lead to verbose and error-prone code. Let's look at the problem without zip. We have names like Alice, Bob, and Charlie, paired with their scores of 85, 92, and 78. The common approach is, for I in range, len names. Printf names I scored, scoresy. This works, but it's not ideal. It's verbose, and assumes both lists are the same length dot. If they aren't, you'll encounter an index error. Now let's explore the Pythonic solution using zip. With zip, your code becomes for name, score in zip name, scores. Printf name scored, score. It's elegant, safe, and significantly more readable. But there's even more! You can combine zip with enumerate for index tracking. This provides a handy way to number your items. For I, name score in enumerate zip name scores, start =1. Print by name scored, score. Look at how this enhances clarity and functionality. However, a word of caution, zip will stop at the shortest input. If your names are Alice and Bob, but the scores list has 3 values, your output will ignore the last score. For name score in zip name scores, printf name scored, score, would produce Alice scored 85. Bob scored 92. What happened to score 78? It was silently omitted. If you need to maintain the full length of both lists, consider using itertools.zip_longest. This handy function will fill in gaps for unequal lists. From itertools import zip_longest. For name, score and zip longest, names, scores, fill value in A. Printf name scored, score. The output will look like this. Alice scored 85. Bob scored 92. NA scored 78. In summary, remember these key points. Use zip for effective parallel looping. Avoid range len unless it's necessary. For lists of unequal lengths, employ itertools.zip_longest. Now that you've seen the power of zip, give it a try in your next project. Happy coding, Pythonistas!